More on Windows 10. A computer system consists of hardware and software. It needs an operating system for management. Windows is commonly used operating system and has many versions. Some versions of Windows are Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. Features of Windows. Let's learn about some features of Windows. Windows provides an easy user interface. For example, it creates a new folder with a click of a mouse button. Windows runs on any hardware you install it to and also recognizes most of the hardware you plug into. You only need to purchase Windows installation disk once. Windows uses WYSIWYG, which means what you see is what you get. This suggests that whatever appears on the monitor, the same will be on the printout. Windows provides graphical user interface, where graphics are used to communicate with the computer. Windows is multi-user operating system and has a number of inbuilt programs like Calculator, Paint and Notepad. Starting Windows. When we switch on a computer, the operating system is loaded into the computer's memory. Once the process is completed, the initial screen that appears is called the desktop. The Start button. The Start button is the most used button on the Windows desktop. When you click on the Start button, it displays major options along with the live tiles. This PC displays the contents of the computer's hard disk, CD, DVD or any other external storage media such as a pen drive. It is useful for finding, organizing, moving and copying files, folders in a computer. Back button. It takes us to the previously opened folder. Forward button. After using back button, you can use the forward button to move back to the current open window. Up button. It takes one step up in the folder tree. Ribbon. It contains commands arranged in the form of tabs and groups. Address bar. It displays the path of the selected file or folder. Search box. It helps to search files or folders in the current folder. File Explorer. File Explorer is used to manage files and folders. It provides the detailed information about files, folders and drives. It can be used to create, view, delete, copy, move, rename and search files and folders. Follow these steps to open File Explorer. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Scroll down and click on File Explorer. The window will appear. Working with folders. You have already learned about folders in your previous class. Let's learn more about them. A folder is a collection of files. A subfolder is a folder within a folder. Follow these steps to create a folder. 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. 2. Select the new option from the list. A list having options will appear. 3. Click on the folder option. A new folder will be created on the desktop with the default name New Folder. Opening a file or folder. Double-click on a folder to open it. A window showing list of contents will appear. We can also open a folder by right-clicking on it. A shortcut menu will appear. Click on the Open option to open it. Renaming a file or folder. Rename means to change the name of existing file or folder. Follow these steps to rename a file or folder. 1. Right-click on the file or folder to be renamed. 2. Select the Rename option from the shortcut menu. 3. Type a new name in the highlighted area and press the Enter key. The file or folder will be renamed. Copying and moving a file or folder. Copying means to create a duplicate copy of a folder without deleting it from the original location. Moving means to transfer it from its original location to a new location. Follow these steps to copy and move a file or folder. 1. Right-click on the file to be copied. 2. Select the copy option from the shortcut menu. 3. Click on the location where the file or folder is to be copied. 4. Right-click on the empty area of the location. 5. Click on the paste option. Deleting a file or folder. Follow these steps to delete a file or folder. 1. Right-click on the file or folder that has to be deleted. 2. Select Delete option from the shortcut menu. The selected file or folder is deleted and moved to Recycle bin. We can also delete the file or folder by clicking on it and then pressing the Delete key. Restoring deleted files. Deleted files or folders are temporarily stored in the Recycle bin, which can be restored. Follow these steps to restore the deleted files. 1. Double-click on the Recycle bin icon on the desktop. 2. Select the file or folder that has to be restored. 3. Right-click on the file or folder and select the Restore option from the shortcut menu. The file is returned to its original location. 4. Close the Recycle bin. Arranging files and folders. Windows provides multiple ways to arrange and identify files. Right-click on the blank portion in the right pane of File Explorer and select the required option from the View menu. Various view options of File Explorer will appear, which are explained here. Extra large icons. The extra large icons view displays files and folders as extra large icons. Large icons. The large icons view displays file and folder as large icons with information like file or folder name. Medium icons. The medium icons view displays file and folder as medium icons with information like file or folder name. Small icons. The small icons view displays the files and folder as small icons with names. List. The list view is the least detailed view of all. It shows a list of files and folders with an identifying icon. Details. The detail view displays the file and folder with several columns of information like name, date modified, type and size. Tiles. The tiles view displays a medium-sized icon along with information about their types and sizes. Content. The content view displays a list of files and folders on a separate row, in which you can see detailed information about each file and folder like the date and time when it was last modified, type and size. Using context menu. Context menu appears upon right-clicking on any icon. It is also called shortcut menu. An entirely different list of options appear upon right-clicking on the blank area of desktop or any object.